Hi, welcome back to Cook Love Dil Se. Today we'll be making karahi turkey. Turkey cooked in Indian style. So let's marinate the turkey. For 500 grams of turkey, take 1 teaspoon turmeric and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix them well and keep it aside for 15 minutes. Then take a hot wok and add 2 tablespoons of oil and add the turkey one by one in the wok. By the way, if you haven't still subscribed to our channel, quickly do it as it will help us grow and get back to you with more quick and easy recipes. Fry the turkey in high flame till the raw color fades and it starts getting a golden brown color. Now in the same oil add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Then add cumin, coriander and red chili powder 1 teaspoon each. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix all the masalas and add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup or 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix them all well and add 2 tablespoons of water to cook the masalas. Now add 1 big onion sliced. Stir it and add the pre-fried turkey. Cover and cook for 2 minutes and then add 1 small cubed capsicum and 1 big tomato cut in big slices. Mix them all well and now we'll cover and cook it for 5 minutes. Add salt according to your taste and mix it well. Turkey meat takes a little more time than that of chicken or any other bird. So add half a cup of water and cover and cook it for 20 minutes. When it is nearly done, add chopped fresh coriander leaves and serve it hot. Do hit the like and share buttons and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for future mouth-watering recipes.